If your air fryer chicken doesn't sound like this, you're missing 3 game-changing tricks. We're starting with about 2 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Trick number 1, dry that skin. Press down firmly with paper towels and repeat until there's no surface moisture left. Crispy skin starts with a crispy surface. Now let's season. Salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, pepper, cayenne, and here's trick number 2, a little brown sugar. Not enough to make it sweet, just enough to help the skin brown faster and develop that deep golden color. Make sure to get it totally coated on both sides. Now for trick number 3, the secret weapon. A light dusting of baking powder on the skin side only. This helps dry out the skin, raises its pH, and creates those tiny bubbles that give us that incredible crunch. Now let that chicken sit uncovered for 30 minutes. Give the chicken a light spray of oil and place it skin side down in a preheated air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for 12 minutes, then give it a flip and cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes or until the thickest part reaches about 185 Fahrenheit. And then, look at that. Actually, listen to that. No more rubbery skin, no more disappointing chicken. Just 3 simple hacks: dry the skin, add a little brown sugar, and finish with a pinch of baking powder. Subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes, and I'll see you next week with my next air fryer win.